We have no doubt that you will focus and will work hard at being a safe driver. The challenge is when other drivers around you are making mistakes or they are unfavorable driving situations, such as heavy rain, ice, or another driver making an illegal move. Learning and practicing defensive driving techniques is a must for all drivers. Let's say that one day you are driving into a new city and you are caught in a sudden rainstorm. To excavate the situation, it's a busy Friday afternoon with a surge of students released from the local high school, and there is a road construction sign nearby. Several problems may arise. The road is not very visible, and the traffic patterns are unfamiliar to the local residents. Here are a couple tips to be a defensive driver in a high-stress situation or in any routine driving situation. Alert. Keep your eyes on the road and scanning for any changes in the environment. If there's a bicyclist driving too close to your road, or if you see a car in front of you changing lanes without signaling, you have to identify those situations early on to react to them. Number 2, keep a defensive cushion. Suppose a vehicle next to you decides to suddenly merge into your lane and he doesn't see your vehicle. What should you do? To begin, make sure you keep a defensive cushion of space between you and the vehicle in front of you. Proper spacing also applies to vehicles behind you and to the side of the vehicle. You notice that most vehicles avoid driving side by side from one another, and it's best to stay out of someone's blind spot to drive staggered from other vehicles. Number 3, be in the right lane. Knowing which lane you will need to be in and where you need to turn is extremely important. You'll have seen some drivers in the far left lane only to realize that you have to turn right from the right lane at the last minute. Don't be that guy. Be mindful of your directions. Number 4, what's the speed limit? Don't be in a hurry and plan early. If you drive too fast, you won't have time to react to changing road conditions or other drivers. You'll notice that most vehicles will end up at the same traffic light at roughly the same time, despite neighboring vehicles speeding. Number 5, 3-second rule. Suppose the vehicle in front of you comes to a follow the 3-second rule by leaving 3 seconds of space between your vehicle and the vehicle driving in front of you. So if the car in front of you comes to a screeching halt, you'll have 3 seconds to avoid the vehicle in front of you. Number 6, signal, signal, signal. Use your turn signals when you're changing lanes or turning. Let other drivers know your intentions. If you have to make a quick turn from a fast road, slowing down and signaling will warn cars behind you to also slow down and to give you enough cushion to turn. 7, keep it simple. Put away your cell phone and other distractions while driving. Distracted driving is a major cause of accidents, and you don't want to be part of that. So there you have it, folks. Follow these tips, and you'll be a defensive driving pro in no time.